In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new Apple account. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Head over to your Safari, right? Just come on this search website, type in account.apple.com, right? Click on this go. Right now, you're gonna see this. You're gonna be asked one account for everything Apple, right? So click on this, right? You're gonna see this, create your Apple account. Click on it. Once you click on it right now, you're gonna see a whole lot of options. It's gonna be displayed right here. So you're gonna enter your first name, enter your last name, enter your country and region, date of birth, month, year, right? Once I've entered all this, you're gonna verify with either a text message or a phone call, right? Then once you are done, you just come on here, type in this character, this EZZON, right? Once you are done, just click on this continue, right? Once I click on the continue, everything is gonna go through perfectly fine for you. So this is basically how you can create a new Apple account. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'll see you on the very next video.